the sands of Berbera to the hills of Sheik, a story whispers, strong and unique. Not with a cannon's roar, but a people's will, a steady promise the desert air fills. A flag of green, white and red so deep, with a star of freedom, a watch it keeps over ancient lands where frankincense grows, a resilience blooms that the whole world knows. Oh, Somaliland, heart of the Horn, a nation reborn, though weary and worn. From the ashes we rose, with a hand to build on our ancestors' soil, our destiny fulfill. Oh, Somaliland, standing tall and free, the unbreakable dream for the world to see. We remember the pain, the trials we faced, the scars of a struggle impossible to erase. But in every echo, in hard Jesus Street, a future is forged with a resilient beat. The scholar, the herder, the merchant's call, working together, uniting us all. Our culture, our anchor, our faith, our guide, with peace as our compass, walking side by side. Oh, Somaliland, heart of the Horn, a nation reborn, though weary and worn. From the ashes we rose, with a hand to build on our ancestors' soil, our destiny fulfilled. Oh, Somaliland, standing tall and free, the unbreakable dream for the world to see. Let the winds tell the tale to the ocean blue of a people unwavering, honest and true. We extend our open hand, in peace we believe, in our right to be recognized, in the hope we weave. Oh, Somaliland, heart of the Horn, a nation reborn, forever sworn. From the ashes we rose, with a hand to build on our ancestors' soil, our destiny fulfilled. Oh, Somaliland, standing tall and free, the unbreakable dream, our reality, our unbreakable dream for eternity. eternity. Somaliland